Insurance Cars Auctions Buying Tips. If you are looking for a great deal on repairable cars for sale, salvagereseller.com may have just what you need. However, before you place a bid with one of Copart's Insurance Cars auctions, there are a few things you need to examine first. Always inspect repairable cars for sale. First of all, it is essential that you inspect the vehicle you wish to bid on. Check such things as the engine's condition, the body, and the interior. Look for any damage that will need repairs. If there are any repairs needed, get an estimate on repair costs before you bid. Finally, if you cannot inspect the vehicle yourself, salvagereseller.com can help you locate a business that can. Another important thing you will want to do before placing a bid on any salvage car auction is to examine the history of the vehicle in question. You can use websites such vincheck.info, which will provide you a report with everything you need to know about the vehicle you wish to bid on. This includes accident information, title history, and vehicle specifications. Determining your budget. Finally, before you place a bid, be sure to determine how much money you can afford to pay for a car or truck. Set a price range and stick to it. If a price is already beyond your maximum range, continue your search. Never bid beyond what your wallet will allow. If you want to get the best deal on repairable cars for sale, salvagereseller.com can help. However, be sure to take the tips detailed above into consideration before placing your bid. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.